The real hero. Rohan was a small boy who lived in a quiet, happy village. He was only 7 years old, but everyone in the village liked him because he was polite, kind, and always smiling. He lived with his mother, father, and his younger sister, Tara. Every morning, Rohan woke up early, brushed his teeth, got ready, and walked to school with his best friend, Amit. Rohan loved school. He loved reading stories, solving simple math questions, and playing games. His favorite subject was EVS because he liked learning about plants, animals, and nature. His teacher, Miss Meera, often said, "Rohan, you are a very good boy. You always try your best." Rohan felt proud when he heard that. One Monday morning, Miss Meera made an announcement. She said, "Children, this Saturday, we will have Clean Community Day. We will clean the playground, plant trees, and help make our village beautiful." All the children became happy. They loved doing activities outside the classroom. Rohan became more excited than anyone else. He loved trees. He loved the smell of fresh leaves. He loved hearing the birds sing in the morning. He told his mother, "Ma, on Saturday we will plant new trees. I want to plant at least 3 trees." His mother smiled and said, "Very good, Rohan. Helping nature makes you a hero." Saturday came. The sun was shining gently, and the air felt cool. It was a perfect day for cleaning and planting. Children came to school wearing caps, gloves, and comfortable shoes. The teachers carried bags, brooms, and little shovels. Miss Meera said, "Children, today we will clean every corner of the playground. We will also plant small trees. Please work together and help each other." The children shouted, "Yes, Ma'am." Rohan and Amit started picking up dry leaves and papers from the ground. Some children were cleaning the slide, some were cleaning the swings, and others were watering plants. Everyone was having fun while working. After a while, Rohan went near the big slide to sweep the leaves. Suddenly, he heard a soft, sad sound. It was like a little whimper. He stopped and listened carefully. Again he heard it, "Whin." Rohan moved closer to the sound. Behind the big slide, he saw something small, shaking, and scared. It was a tiny brown puppy. Its fur was dusty, and its eyes looked sad. Its small leg had a cut, and it was limping. "Oh no, little puppy," Rohan said softly. He felt sorry for it. The puppy looked at him and cried again. Rohan slowly bent down and said, "It's okay. I won't hurt you." He gave the puppy some water from his bottle. The puppy drank a little and wagged its tail weakly. Rohan knew he needed help. He quickly ran to Miss Meera and said, "Mom, there is a hurt puppy behind the slide. It is alone and scared. Can we help it?" Miss Meera came quickly. When she saw the puppy, she said, "Rohan, thank you for telling me. You have a caring heart." She gently picked up the puppy and wrapped it in a cloth. The whole class gathered around. Some children said, "Oh, poor puppy." Others said, "Will it be okay, Mom?" Miss Meera said, "Do not worry. We will take it to the animal doctor." Rohan and Amit went with her to the nearby animal clinic. The doctor examined the puppy and cleaned its wound. "It is not very serious," the doctor said. "With medicine and rest, the puppy will be fine." Rohan felt very happy. "Can we keep the puppy at school until it gets better?" he asked. Miss Meera said, "Yes, we can. But we must take good care of it." For the next 1 week, Rohan came to school early every day. He checked the puppy's bandage, gave it food and water, and played with it gently. The puppy slowly became better. It moved its tail happily and jumped around Rohan. Rohan named the puppy Buddy. One day, Tara asked, "Bhaiya, why do you care so much for the puppy?" Rohan said, "Because Buddy needs love. We should help anyone who needs us." Tara smiled and said, "You are a hero." Rohan laughed. "No, I am not a hero. I just did what is right." But Rohan did not know what was coming. The next Friday morning, the school held a small assembly. All children and teachers stood together in the ground. Miss Meera walked to the front with Buddy in her arms. Buddy was now healthy and looked cheerful. Miss Meera said, "Children, today I want to talk about a real hero. A real hero is not someone with superpowers or a magic cape. A real hero is someone who helps others, who is brave, kind, and loving." The children listened carefully. Last Saturday, one student found a hurt puppy. He took care of it, fed it, and stayed with it every day until it got better. This student is a true hero of kindness. Everyone looked around, wondering who it was. Miss Meera smiled and said, "That student is Rohan." All the children clapped loudly. Amit cheered, "Yay, Rohan." Tara, who was watching from grade 1, jumped happily and shouted, "That's my brother." Rohan felt shy at first. His cheeks turned pink. But he also felt very proud. Buddy barked happily, as if saying, "Thank you, Rohan." Miss Meera placed a small badge on Rohan's shirt. It said, "Real Hero." She said, "Rohan, you showed us that even a small person can do big things. You proved that kindness is the greatest strength." Rohan smiled and said softly, "I just wanted to help." After the assembly, many children came to play with Buddy. Rohan taught them how to treat animals gently. He said, "Animals cannot talk, but they also feel pain. If we care for them, we make the world better." From that day on, Rohan became known as the little real hero in the whole village. People would call him when they found a bird with a broken wing or a kitten stuck somewhere. Rohan always helped. One evening, his father said, "Rohan, I am proud of you. You may be small, but your heart is big." His mother hugged him and said, "A real hero is someone who is kind, just like you." Rohan continued helping others, old people, small children, animals, and anyone who needed support. He learned an important lesson. You don't need superpowers to be a hero. You just need a kind heart. And that is how Rohan became a real hero, not only in school, but in the whole village. Every time Buddy barked happily beside him, it reminded everyone that Rohan's kindness had changed a life.